guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my client's makeup for her 17th birthday. Everybody comment down below right now, happy birthday Shay. But first and foremost, I'm going to go ahead and wipe her eyebrows off with just a little bit of alcohol. And I'm going to brush her eyebrows out, and then I'm going to start to fill in her eyebrows with my Anastasia Beverly Dip Brow in the shade Ebony. I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn to carve out her eyebrows. And I just sprayed my blending brush with some Mario Badescu setting spray in the rose water scent. Now I'm using my P. Louise eyeshadow base in the number 3, and I'm just going to go ahead and set her eyelids. I'm going to blend in the eyeshadow base with my blending brush, and then I'm going to go ahead and use my LA Girl Pro Finishing Setting Powder, and I'm just going to set her eyelids with that powder. Moving on to eyeshadow, I'm going to take my Jaclyn Hill X Morphe palette, Armed and Glammed, and I'm going to take the shade Smooth Criminal and place that in her mid to outer eyelid. And then I'm going to also take the shade Proud and place that on her outer eyelid. to give it more depth and to deepen up the outer corner of her eyelid. She was going for a neutral look, but still with some glam and some pop, so that's what I'm trying to create for her. Now I'm going to cut her crease with my P. Louise eyeshadow base in the number 0. This is sort of a cut crease. I'm just going to apply the eyeshadow base in her inner quarter and drag it out and blend it to about her mid eyelid. Once I'm done cutting her crease, I'm going to set her eyelids using my LA Girl Pro Finishing Setting Powder. As you can tell, she was feeling the look already, which made me so happy. Now I'm going to give her a wing using my Milani Matte Liquid Eyeliner. Now I'm going to use my NYX Liquid Glitter Liner to give her a line above her crease. And this is in the silver shade. I applied some highlight to her brow bone. I'm using my Fenty Beauty Diamond Highlighter. Now I'm going to take my Faciali Skin Blur Primer and I'm just going to blend that all into her skin to moisturize her skin and to blur her pores. And now I'm just going to apply some foundation. She gave me her foundation shade and I just mixed it a little bit with some LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. And then I also put that same concealer mixed with the P. Louise eyeshadow base under her eye and on the bridge of her nose. Now I'm just taking my Juvia's Place foundation stick and using that as her contour. I am using the shade 9, I believe. Now I'm going to bake her face with the Juvia's Place setting powder. Now I'm just going to prep her eyelashes for false lashes by applying some mascara.
Oh, this is so cute.
I'm going to use my Diamond Highlighter by Fenty Beauty and apply that to her cheekbones.
Wow, I'm feeling like my makeup.
That really warmed my heart, y'all. For real. Like, I love when my clients fall in love with their makeup and they just love every little detail. It makes me feel good about my work. Now I'm going to take my lip liner by Morphe in the shade Trendsetter and line her lips. And I'm also going to take the lip gloss Chill and apply some gloss to the center of her lips.
Yo, like, you really snapped on.
And I'm just going to take this lip brush and blend the lip liner and the lip gloss together so it doesn't look so harsh.
Cause I'm still good, Hollywood didn't change me. Shout out to my haters, I'll be that you couldn't phase me.
And here is just me fixing her hair. I'm just going to flat iron her hair so she can get ready to have fun with her friends and celebrate her birthday.
Oh, this is a party.
If them hoes not gonna shake, I need y'all to back the fuck up. Bye. Let's go. My hands flat, but a wiggle about, yeah.
And here are a few pictures of the finished look. I really hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. And if you guys are interested in getting your makeup done by me, the link to my Instagram will be down below. Just click that link and DM me and let's talk.